Hello, my name is Eugene. This is my wife Martha. Our house in Mississauga was built in 1965. We like our neighborhood, and so moving was not an option, but we decided to do certainly a renovation. It needed a redo of the kitchen and family room. We did a lot of reviews about renovation contractors and decided to meet with one of the most highly notated renovators, and that was Sosna. That first meeting with Andre was just the beginning of what was a completely positive renovation experience. When we met with Andre the first time, he spent a lot of time looking at the layout of the house. He asked a lot of questions about what we needed, what we wanted, and what was realistic. Once we developed a scope and budget and timeline, we signed on with Sosna. Next came Camilla. Camilla was our wonderful designer. She spent a lot of time listening to our ideas and providing solutions. She was very mindful of the budget that we had and was very, very careful to listen to our concerns and was very sensitive to our ideas. The culmination of Camilla's work was a book that detailed the project to the very smallest and most precise details of the project. Once we signed off on that book, then that's when the construction began. Next came Roman, project manager, and Adam, our site manager. Both of these guys were very accessible, and we spoke with them on a regular basis. They were very reassuring that the project was proceeding as planned and that the timelines were being met exactly. For us, and for me especially, that was very important because 1 week after the renovation began, I had triple bypass surgery, and we were spending my recovery time in an Airbnb, so we were out of the house. Once I was mobile, we were able to come back to the house on a regular basis, and we noticed what a wonderful job was being done. Also, that the workers were so precise. They vacuumed each day, and the tools were ready to proceed for the next day's work. And as it happened, Roman was right. We got into our house exactly as planned.
Well, now comes my part of this wonderful renovation story. We were always able to have access to Roman and Adam, and this was really significant because the renovation was over. However, we did come across a few problems, not with the renovation, but with little glitches in specifically in the wall where our fireplace used to be. It became the home of 6 raccoons, and unfortunately we were compelled actually to rescue them, but in the rescue there was a gaping hole that was left in our wall. So who did we call? You guessed. It must have been Roman and Adam. So Adam was able to fix the wall with perfection. Now, moving along to this fall, we finally got our dishwasher installed. Well, wouldn't you know it, problems. First time we tried it, it leaked, and of course it left some damage to a part of the kitchen wall. Again, who did we call? Roman and Adam. So Adam actually finished the repair last week. So we were very thankful that they were very gracious about dealing with our problems very promptly. And again, as with the renovation, everything was done neatly, quickly, and to our satisfaction. No problem at all.
So in our experiences, every person that we worked with demonstrated their honesty and sincerity, commitment to our renovation. As a result, we can sincerely and honestly say that we thoroughly recommend Sosna for anybody that is planning a renovation. I guess in this is a slogan, you can say Sosna is a contractor that you can trust. So in the end, we just want to say thank you, Sosna.
Yes, thank you, Sosna, for a great experience.